Hold on.
I got my work job.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Let's take our wood. And we gotta cut it. Alright, good job.
Okay.
Okay, now you gotta drill it. You gotta turn it around. Flip it over.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, good job. Okay, we'll take this piece. Okay, now we gotta do this one. Alright. See, look. There's holes. Okay, now we gotta cut this piece. Use your chop saw. Oh, you know what? Hold on. You gotta wear your safety glasses. So you don't get stuff in your eyes. Look at Mom. Okay. Okay. Now we gotta drill it. You wanna wear your safety goggles? Okay, I'll wear mine. You wear yours, look. Okay, good job. Okay, now do this one. Alright. Okay, now we got this. Let's put our sides on. Okay, you gotta grab a nut.
Yeah.
Now hang these up. Grab a nut.
There it is.
Set over here. There you go. Okay, do the other side. There you go.
My toolbox.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna get our side. Get a screw.
There it is.
So it's going backwards. It's going backwards. You gotta turn it around. There you go. Oh, good job. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna grab another nut. Okay, now we're gonna grab the other side. Grab the side down there. Put your nut on. Okay, grab a screw.
Daddy.
Oh!
Yeah, that's gonna work.
That's okay.
Good job. Good job.
Here we go. Alright. Cool. Wow. Good job. Okay, put this down. Now look at it. You gotta show Mom. You gotta show Mom. Right there. Here. Look at the camera.
Cheese.
Hey, look at what we built. Alright. Good job, bud.
Can I live with it?